Are you looking for the best digital brake fluid moisture testers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best digital brake fluid moisture testers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the TESMEN TBF300 brake fluid tester. Keeping your brake fluid in check is one of the most overlooked aspects of vehicle maintenance, and the TESMEN TBF300 makes that job remarkably straightforward. The first thing you notice is the large, easy-to-read display paired with a data hold function, meaning you can capture readings without squinting or rushing. The 8.5-inch adjustable gooseneck probe is a genuine standout feature. It reaches deep into fluid reservoirs cleanly, while the corrosion-resistant metal construction ensures long-term durability. Testing across DOT3, DOT4, and DOT 5.1 fluid types, the TBF300 delivers accurate water content readings within the 0 to 4% range, giving you reliable insight into whether your brake fluid needs replacing. The built-in flashlight is a surprisingly practical addition, making underhood inspections in dim garages or roadside situations much easier. The package includes 2 AAA batteries and a dedicated storage pouch that protects the metal probe between uses, a thoughtful touch that speaks to the overall build quality. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a weekend DIYer, the TESMEN TBF300 offers genuine value and peace of mind at an accessible price point. Highly recommended. Moving on, at number 4, we have the FSTURIOS Brake Fluid Liquid Tester Pen. Brake fluid health is critical to road safety, and the FSTURIOS Brake Fluid Tester Pen delivers a no-fuss solution for staying on top of it. The 5 LED indicator system is the headline feature here. Rather than interpreting numbers on a screen, color-coded lights instantly communicate your brake fluid's water content level, making it accessible even for those with zero mechanical background. It's intuitive, quick, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Build quality impresses for the price point. Brass-plated metal probes ensure strong conductivity and resist the corrosive nature of brake fluid, while the sturdy plastic casing holds up well under regular workshop conditions. Nothing feels flimsy or cheap. Operation couldn't be simpler. Press the power button, dip the probe, read the lights. The 12-second auto shutoff is a smart touch that conserves battery life, without any extra effort from the user. Compatibility with DOT3, DOT4, and DOT 5.1 fluids makes this pen versatile across cars, motorcycles, and trucks alike, broadening its appeal considerably. For home mechanics and professionals wanting a fast, straightforward brake fluid check, the FSTURIOS Tester Pen is a compact and capable choice worth keeping in your toolbox. At number 3, we have the ecocstm Brake Fluid Tester. Not every workshop tool needs to be complicated, and the ecocstm Brake Fluid Tester proves that simplicity and effectiveness can go hand in hand. The frosted plastic housing immediately stands out. The anti-slip texture makes handling secure even with fluid-covered hands, while the high-strength nylon construction suggests this pen can withstand the rough and tumble of regular garage use. It feels built to last rather than destined for the bin after a handful of uses. The 5 LED display does its job well. Fully immersing the metal probe and reading the highest illuminated LED gives you a clear, accurate snapshot of water content across DOT3, DOT4, DOT 5.1, and most synthetic brake fluids. The handy note about metal additives potentially triggering the red light is an honest and useful transparency from the manufacturer. Portability is another genuine strength. The cable-free design and compact form factor mean it slips easily into a toolbox, glove compartment, or jacket pocket, requiring just a single AAA battery to operate. Whether you run a professional workshop or simply like staying ahead of vehicle maintenance at home, the ecocstm Brake Fluid Tester offers reliable performance in an unpretentious carry-anywhere package. At number 2, we have the YOGEIER Brake Fluid Liquid Tester Pen. Brake fluid testing doesn't have to be a chore, and the YOGEIER Brake Fluid Tester Pen makes the whole process impressively quick and painless. The construction immediately earns respect. A nickel-plated metal probe resists oxidation and corrosion admirably, while the black matte plastic shell provides a grippy, premium-feeling finish that distinguishes it from cheaper alternatives. It looks and feels like a tool built with genuine care for longevity. Performance is where the YOGEIER truly shines. The 5 LED indicator system measures moisture content to 1% accuracy, delivering results within seconds of probe insertion. That level of precision is genuinely impressive for a handheld pen-style tester, giving both home users and workshop professionals confidence in every reading across DOT3, DOT4, and DOT 5.1 fluid types. The 20-second auto shutoff is a thoughtful power-saving feature, and the cable-free compact design means it travels effortlessly between jobs or vehicles without any hassle. What also stands out is the brand's customer service commitment, a reassuring promise for buyers wanting post-purchase support. For anyone seeking a reliable, accurate, and well-built brake fluid tester at an everyday price, the YOGEIER pen deserves serious consideration. And finally, at number 1, we have the KAIWEETS Brake Fluid Tester Pen. When it comes to brake fluid testing, the KAIWEETS Brake Fluid Tester Pen sets a noticeably higher bar than many of its competitors, packing professional-grade features into a compact, everyday tool. Accuracy is immediately impressive, with a plus or minus 0.3% measurement precision across a 0 to 4% range. The readings delivered for DOT3, DOT4, and DOT 5.1 fluids are genuinely trustworthy rather than merely indicative. For safety-critical maintenance work, that distinction matters enormously. The 3-color backlight combined with an audible buzzer alarm adds a layer of confidence that simpler LED-only testers cannot match. When moisture levels breach the 3% safety threshold, the alarm triggers immediately, removing any guesswork from the decision to replace fluid. The data hold function is another welcome professional touch, letting you capture readings cleanly without fumbling in tight engine bays. The corrosion-resistant probe rounds out a well-considered feature set that clearly prioritizes longevity. Perhaps most reassuring of all is KAIWEETS after-sales commitment, a 30-day return window, a generous 3-year warranty, and lifetime technical support represent exceptional value and genuine confidence in their product. For professionals and serious DIY-ers wanting precision, reliability, and outstanding backup support, the KAIWEETS tester is difficult to beat.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.